Welcome to 48 Pinedale Drive on Mirage Lake in Novar, Ontario. Just a few minutes north of Huntsville, this package includes two separately deeded properties in one sale. The home on 48 Pinedale Drive and the parcel beside it known as Lot 10. Both parcels have 105 feet of frontage and are just under a half acre in size. Let's visit 48 Pinedale first. Entering from the year-round township-maintained road, the first thing you notice is the well-kept cottage and garage. With a quick look, you will immediately see the excellent workmanship and pride of ownership that this home exudes. The 900-square-foot, two-bedroom home is built with concrete blocks from the foundation through to the roof joists. This home is solid and well-insulated. The roof is built with 2x8 construction and is covered with asphalt shingles that were recently replaced 5 years ago. Entering the house from the stairs, you land in the screened-in porch, perfect for three-season enjoyment of sunsets and afternoon breezes. The screened-in porch comes complete with easy open and close storm windows that conveniently lift up and out of the way, creating a beautiful reflection from the water. There is also an open-air deck space on the lakeside for barbecuing. The open-concept living room, kitchen, and dining area is set up with the ambience of the wood insert fireplace for winter evenings. The two bedrooms and bathroom are conveniently located just off the living room area. The multi-level basement area houses a den/family room, the laundry room, the utility room, a wine cellar, a pantry, and plenty of storage. The basement space is accessed from the inside by a circular staircase off the living room and has a direct entrance from the outside via a boot room. The house is currently used as a year-round family home and comes complete with a 10-kilowatt standby generator that powers the whole house, featuring 200-amp electrical service. The primary heat source is a propane heater and wood fireplace and electric baseboards on the main floor, and a propane stove and electric baseboards on the lower level. The water is sourced from a drilled well with a winterized line and has a UV light filtration system. The septic system is approved for a 3-bedroom house. Outside, you will notice the well-laid-out stone steps set in concrete leading from the house to the dock. The water depth at the dock is deep enough for swimming and for docking your boat. There's a 12-foot aluminum boat that is included in this purchase. Mirage Lake is 3.8 kilometers long and has an average depth of 8 feet. It is known for its fighting bass fish and is also home to northern pike, brown bullhead, white sucker, and yellow perch for those people in your family that love to fish. The garage has room enough for parking a car or some toys and still has room for workbenches and tools. The bonus to the heated and powered garage is the loft space above, offering a wonderful studio or office or even a third location for a bedroom. Outside of the garage, there is room for 5 or 6 parking spaces. When your guests arrive, there'll be plenty of room for parking. Now, let's go to Lot 10, the vacant lot next door that comes with the property. This is a buildable lot zoned shoreline residential and can fit a home of approximately 1,800 to 2,000 square feet with up to 10% lot coverage, and there is still room for sheds and bunkies. The topography of the lot is terraced with a gentle slope leading to the waterfront. The 105 feet of waterfront is undeveloped and can be sold off to recoup some of your investment in this property, or can be kept as it is for that added touch of northern privacy. This is 48 Pinedale Drive in Novar, Ontario.